Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about ALGORAND price prediction and ALGORAND news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for ALGORAND in 2022. ALGORAND is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. ALGORAND supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. The main network, mainnet ALGORAND, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created ALGORAND? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of ALGORAND. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. Now we will tell you news about ALGORAND cryptocurrency. What latest retracement on ALGO's chart reveals about its future price trend? As the bears refrained from giving up their advantage, ALGO was on the back foot for the last few months. Now, it struggled to topple the long-term 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. While the buyers are trying to keep up their pressure, the chances of defending the 73-cent support were bright. If this pressure sustains, a retest of the mean, 20 SMA, of its Bollinger Bands, BB, seemed likely. Following this, the overall market structure would play a vital role to anticipate a pattern breakout possibility. At press time, ALGO traded at $0.7349, down by 3.82% in the last 24 hours. After the bulls struggled to hold their grounds at the $1.8 resistance, ALGO steeply downturned and gravitated towards the $0.773 support range. This range has offered a strong floor for over a year now. The alt lost nearly 61.5% of its value from 5 January and pulled back towards its 7-month low on 24 February. Since then, the sturdy 23.6% Fibonacci level shunned all recovery attempts by the ALGO buyers. As a result, the latest retracement saw a sharp pullback between the down channel, yellow. During this phase, the mean of the BB coincided with the upper trend line of this channel and offered strong resistance. Historically, the bulls have shown a keen interest in defending the current support range. Also, the price has entered into a cheaper phase near the lower band of its BB. From here on, a retest of the 76 and 77 cents mark before potentially entering into a consolidation phase seemed probable for the alt. Further, most reversals from the $0.7 level found a recovery towards the upper band of the BB. The sellers tested the 34 support thrice in just the last 3 days. While the buyers maintained the flatter support level on the RSI, the price action marked lower troughs, thus revealing a bullish divergence. Similarly, the OBV maintained its immediate support, while the price kept falling, conforming to the bullish tendencies in the near term. Conclusion: the oversold readings on the BB with the divergences on its RSI and OBV made the chances of a near-term bullish comeback bright. But the buyers still needed to ramp up the volumes to find a pattern-breaking sustainable rally. To top it up, the traders should keep a close watch on Bitcoin's movements, as ALGO shares a 74% 30-day correlation with the King coin. So next news. Another 11% fall on the way. Should ALGO investors exit the market when a cryptocurrency makes a name for itself in the market? It is because of the positive price action usually. However, ALGORAND seems to have defied that narrative. Instead of making the investors optimistic, ALGO has kept them down in losses. On closer inspection, it appears that ALGO's journey to the south is not over yet. ALGORAND likes to tumble. The altcoin has been slipping on the charts since September. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, ALGO failed to rally back in November, and instead a grant program that targets experienced research and development teams to research or build secure solutions for the ALGORAND ecosystem. And EVM compatibility refers to decentralized applications that are built on Ether-compatible blockchains. Research and developer teams will be expected to submit their proposals no later than March 18, the release noted. Multiple teams may be chosen, with the reward being split among the competing teams. Furthermore, ALGORAND believes in a multi-chain world, and this supergrant will move us towards that inevitability, said ALGORAND Foundation CEO Stacy Warden. Running smart contracts written for Ethereum on ALGORAND eliminates the barriers for popular DeFi protocols and NFT projects to serve multiple chains, while significantly decreasing the costs to those who participate, she added. Subsequently, another $10 million will go to projects that can build strong developer tools for ALGORAND, such as compilers, ALGORAND Foundation CEO Stacy Warden told CoinDesk in an interview Thursday. Meanwhile, ALGORAND Foundation's native digital token, ALGORAND, ALGO United States $-1.1%, is off slightly in the past 24 hours, as Bitcoin, BTC United States $-1.5%, and Ethereum, at the United States $-3.3%, drift lower. Previously, December 30, 2021, ALGORAND said it will distribute ALGO to drive DeFi adoption. Next news, EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. And blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary, and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed support for it on Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, Germany is in favor of targeted and functional restrictions on Russia. The European Commission formalized this support later Saturday in a public statement attributed to the EC, France, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada and US. We commit to ensuring that selected Russian banks are removed from the SWIFT messaging system. This will ensure that these banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally, the statement said. The EC also committed to blocking the Russian central bank from using its international reserves and preventing Russian oligarchs from buying passports in other nations to re-enter the global financial system. Officials in the EC also plan to launch a transatlantic task force to implement sanctions enacted by the EU, US, UK, Japan, Canada, South Korea and several other groups by identifying and freezing the assets of sanctioned individuals and companies that exist within our jurisdictions, the statement said. Further sanctions may be announced as part of this effort. We are working flat out on how to limit the collateral damage of decoupling from SWIFT and such. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest ALGO price forecast for 2022, 2025 and beyond. ALGORAND price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of ALGORAND will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. ALGORAND price forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, ALGO prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that ALGORAND's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. ALGO rate prediction 2024. The value of ALGORAND will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of ALGORAND will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. ALGORAND price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to